Florida Man Does Weather back with a quick forecast for you. See all those pink areas? Those are your winter storm warnings. This right here, blizzard warnings. All this blue is winter storm watches. Any of that purple is winter weather advisories. You got the browns showing up in the central plains. Those are your high wind watches and warnings. And this area of pink right here, fire weather is going to be a huge deal. It's going to get very dry behind this cold front. So couple that with your winds, high rate of fire spread. There will also be a severe side to this, and that is what I'm going to cover. So this is your area for tomorrow on Sunday. Tornado risk is not that high. They're going to be fairly sporadic within this line of storms, but they could be very strong at times, looking at EF1 to EF2, fast-moving tornadoes as well. Your wind damage is going to be the main issue here. This environment is very, very supportive of widespread severe level winds, and many of these areas are going to see hurricane force winds of 75 mile per hour or greater. Hail is not much of an issue on either day. So then we go into Monday. This squall line continues overnight Sunday into Monday, and then really refires through the mid-Atlantic and the southeast. Mid-Atlantic, mainly from South Carolina, North Carolina, up to Virginia. You could see some supercell development that is going to be contingent upon how much instability can work in. So let's get into the models. This is at 7 a.m. Central Time tomorrow, and your shear environment is already going to be there. You already have a very strong low-level jet in place. It's just a matter of how much instability can build up along that front. And by early afternoon, you should have a very thin squall line developing. And let's go ahead and pull a sounding from in front of that. So this is why your tornado risk does exist. You do have sufficient turning of the winds with height and changing of speeds with height as well to present a tornado threat. These will be embedded within that squall line. And they're not going to be the long-lasting tornadoes that you see in supercells, but they will have potential to spin up real quick and do some damage, and then they're gone. This line will continue through Sunday night, sweeping through the Ohio valleys, the Tennessee area, into the southeast by really early Monday morning. And then as we go into Monday, everything's going to refire. You might see some supercell development out here, but once again, that is contingent upon both how fast that cold front swings into the area, because if that cold front's near, your storms are going to be strongly tied to the presence of the cold front, and also as well, how much instability can really build up across the Carolinas and the Virginia area before that happens. If you don't have enough instability building up, you'll get these really weak showers that can't handle the amount of shear that will be present out there. But once again, let's look at the low-level jet. Widespread area of favorability for damaging winds once again. So have a plan for some power outages. If you live in the upper Midwest, sorry. It's going to be very cold. Welcome back to like January type of weather for you guys. Yeah, hopefully this is the final brush with winter we get for the year.